Just got a severe thunderstorm watch. 9:36 p.m. Monday, July 17th, 2023.
This is a severe thunderstorm watch, issued at 9:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 509, effective until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Boyd, Carter, Greeley, and Lawrence, and the following counties in Ohio: Gallia, Warren, and Scioto, and the following counties in West Virginia: Cabell and Wade. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That is the second time my weather radio has not given the last tone. It probably just hasn't registered with this app yet. Looks like somebody got a tornado warning now. Okay, I didn't hit it. Let's see this. Oh, yep. Let's take a look at the other weather map here. Air quality alert. Why is it not registering yet? Let me restart my phone. It probably needs that. Anyway. And it needs to be charged. It's at 30%. I've been using it all day today and yesterday, so it really doesn't surprise me. I'm gonna go. Hold on. Actually, it's 9:38. Peace. Bye.